Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is going to be my first attempt at chainsaw cutting a log into some usable planks. Stick with me, see how it turns out. You know what you got to do. Sit back and watch. Using a chainsaw could be very dangerous, so make sure you use all personal protective equipment before getting started. The first plumb line is all personal preference, and it also helps give you a guide to keep the chainsaw running vertical. This notch I'm putting in the log, it's just to help hold the chalk line in place. This plumb line isn't critical either, but you would like to stay consistent with the grain of the log. Here's the point where you decide how thick you want the slab to be. For your final plumb line, you measure over the same distance from the cut side as you did on the other end of the log. In my case, I used 5 inches. Look at that. The second side came out much better. Look at that. That's awesome. Let's get a close-up of that. That looks really good. Put some water on it, show the grain coming out. Well, I hope you liked the video. That slab came out way better than I thought it was going to. And just with a little bit of basic chainsaw knowledge and the use of a chainsaw, you can do this too. The only tips that I would give is you should buy a ripping chain for your chainsaw. I didn't have one, but I gave it a shot and it came out pretty good. Also, I would say is be patient, take your time. It took me about an hour and a half for both sides, both cuts. But it was worth it. Came out awesome. And as always, thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. I appreciate it. I'll see you guys on the next one.